the purpose of this video is to show you how easy it is to fill in a water emergency report. This would be done by the community manager. So let me get started. I only have 5 minutes to shoot this video. 5 minutes will be more than enough. I'm going to open up a browser, Google Chrome. It could have been anything. It could be even a cell phone. I'm going to put in a URL of a new website that I created. And it came up, birdsofparadise.com.mx. It didn't exist yesterday, but it exists today. So this is a new Birds of Paradise website that I created. It's not finished, but it's finished enough to show you what I'm trying to do. Next, I'm going to go to Contact. And on Contact, I made a special little icon down here. It looks like a wheel and a document. I'll click on that. And this opens up the form. Anybody who fills in this form essentially fills in a water emergency form. Okay, let's say, just for argument's sake, I pick my own email. Yep. I have to get out of a Spanish keyboard, get back into an English keyboard. So that's fine. Description of problem, I'll say something like water shortage due to delivery failure. Severity of the crisis, let's say I say, well, it'll be fixed within several hours. Other possibilities were very severe, will be fixed any minute. Incidentally, this can be modified, anything really that you want. I just did a little brainstorming myself, and I thought that these were probable descriptions of how serious the crisis was. Anticipated availability, when would you expect water to be back? And let's say less than 10 hours, but more than 5 hours. That's a reasonable amount of time. Steps taken to correct the problem. Well, maybe you arranged to have water delivered by tanker truck. Maybe contacted our municipality, San Antonio Tlayacapan, to ask for more water. And maybe you're monitoring the aljibe for when it'll be filled. What are some of the restrictions in place? Well, let's say you close the laundry room, that's in place. Shut off the water, that's a maybe, you can check it or uncheck it. Posted signs on the laundry room and on bulletin board. Maybe you did that, maybe you didn't. And drinking water tank also expected to run dry before delivery. This would alert people in case they really didn't have stored drinking water. Who's in charge? Let's say Juan Barrios is in charge. He's at the gate. In the absence of the manager, of course, if the manager is on campus, the manager would be in charge. We send, and that's it, done. The manager has done everything required. No more has to be done.